Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm showing you how to achieve a soft glam makeup look in just 5 minutes. Perfect for beginners, this look will make you feel confident and fabulous. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's prep our skin. I'm using a lightweight moisturizer to hydrate my face. This step is important as it creates a smooth canvas for our makeup. I'm applying a medium coverage foundation. Use a damp beauty sponge for a flawless finish. Dab it onto your skin, blending outwards for an even look. Let's cover blemishes or dark circles with a creamy concealer. Apply it under your eyes and on spots, then blend with your sponge. This brightens your face and gives a fresh look. Now for the brows. A soft glam look needs well-defined eyebrows. I'm using a brow pencil to fill in sparse areas. Just a few strokes will do. For the eyes, I'm using a soft, neutral eyeshadow palette. Apply a light shade all over the lid, then a slightly darker shade in the crease. Blend well. For definition, I'm applying a thin line of eyeliner close to my lash line and finishing with Volumizing mascara. This opens up the eyes. For the lips, I'm using a nude lip liner and creamy lipstick. This combo is perfect for that effortless, soft glam look. To finish this look, I'm spritzing on a setting spray to keep everything in place. This step is key for longevity. Here's the final soft glam look. It's fresh, easy, and perfect for any occasion. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial or you'll helpful. See you next time for more beauty tips and tricks. Bye!